Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to remove backgrounds from photos on iPhone without apps. You can easily remove backgrounds from photos on your iPhone without any third-party applications using the built-in iOS subject left feature. Now, your iPhone uses advanced machine learning to cleanly separate the foreground subject from the rest of the image. So go to Photos app and select your desired image. Okay, it could be anything. Person, pet, or object. Now, we're going to hold the main subject. Wait for the glowing outline to appear around the subject. Now, release your finger to reveal basically the pop-up, right? Pop-up photo. And use your other finger now to share it on apps like iMessage or share it as an email, right? Using mail or whatever, right? So I'm going to go ahead to mail. And let's say I want to respond to this email. I'm gonna hit the reply at the bottom right. Hit reply again and paste the photo here. There you go. Basically that's it. Consider liking this video. Subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.